Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a easy DIY that I'm going to do for the spring and the summer, going into the summer. So I'm going to use these items here that I bought from Ross and Michaels. And like I said, y'all, this is going to be really easy and it's going to be very colorful. So these are the items that I got from Ross: the orchids and the greenery. And look, I didn't have to do much, y'all. Look how they came. So all I'm going to do, y'all, I'm just going to add to these. And I'm going to add these floral pieces that I purchased from Michaels. Real colorful. Y'all, I don't know. I'm just excited about the spring and the summer. Spring and summer makes me happy. And look how colorful it is. Everything is going to be colorful, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. And starting off with these orchids, all I'm going to do is just add. Look, I'm going to add these pretty pink, purplish orchids to this lime green. These are my colors, y'all, for the spring going into the summer. So y'all will see me make changes. And what I'm using is some floral wire that I purchased from Walmart. Now, I think it comes in a pack of maybe like 60. I can't remember, but you can find them at Hobby Lobby and Michaels. Any arts and crafts store, you can find the floral wire. And so that's what I'm using to attach my orchids. Like I say, y'all, this is really easy. Now, I'm not going to tie it in a knot or anything like that. All I'm doing is just wrapping the wire around. See, this is a close-up, and you can see how I'm doing it. And you just measure it and cut it to the length that you like. And with doing these arrangements, you cannot make any mistakes. Everything will turn out perfect. I promise you that. You don't have to worry. It won't look ugly if you make any mistakes, or if you think you made any mistakes, you can just easily remove it. And this is it. And all I'm doing is just bending it to the shape that I like. You could do it any way you like, you know, but these colors I'm using for the spring and the summer, and I'm excited about it, y'all. Okay, now here's the greenery. Each one was $15.99 at Ross, and I didn't have to do much with this. Now, I'm only going to place florals in the front. Now, I'm not going to do it all the way around. You can do that if you'd like. But the reason why I'm not doing it is because they are going to go on top of my kitchen cabinets. In my kitchen, it's going to go on top of the cabinet. So, I'm not going to decorate the back. You won't be able to see the back if it's sitting on top of my cabinet. You know, but if you're going to have it on your coffee table, then yes, you can put your florals all the way around. And like I said, I'm going to be changing out through the spring and summer. You may even see me spray paint the vase because it is a wooden color, but you probably see me spray paint that later on down the line. But yeah, other than that, y'all, I'm just going to do my 3 florals. And you will see when I do my decorate with me for the spring, you will see how good they're going to look on top of my cabinets. And I cannot wait. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to share my videos and hit the notification bell. The notification bell is right beside the subscribe button. So if you hit that, you will be notified anytime I make a move on YouTube. It'll let you know.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go,